The present-day residential architecture scene is host to a compelling confluence, where cherished design nostalgia intersects with the pragmatic philosophy of minimalist living, an ideal synthesis showcased spectacularly by the increasing popularity of mobile dwellings featuring a mid-century aesthetic. More than simply adopting retro styling, this burgeoning phenomenon represents a thoughtful engineering feat, the fundamental design doctrines of the highly optimistic and functional mid-century. Modern MCM period, which broadly defined taste from the mid-1940s through the mid-1960s, have been profoundly reformulated to thrive within the inherent limitations and potential of compact, transportable homes. The seminal design concepts of the MCM movement, such as elegantly unadorned profiles, biomorphic silhouettes, and the holistic integration of indoor and outdoor spaces, prove remarkably well-suited to the restricted dimensions of a tiny home, empowering architects to craft residences that convey an impression of expansive brightness and inherent style, all while retaining the unprecedented advantage of geographical flexibility. These scaled-down, mobile representations of MCM excellence frequently incorporate hallmark architectural components that instantly transport occupants to the golden age of American design. This aesthetic fidelity is often achieved through the liberal deployment of unpolished, natural wood finishes, with materials like light birch or rich teak veneer being preferred choices, adding tactile warmth and visual depth in perfect harmony with the era's focus on organic simplicity. Furthermore, the strategic placement of oversized glazed panels, frequently featuring either a horizontal band of clearstory glass or a floor-to-ceiling picture window, is imperative for saturating the diminutive interior with ambient daylight, thereby dissolving the visual barriers separating the dwelling from its immediate surroundings. A spatial dialogue deeply embedded in the groundbreaking work of MCM masters such as Frank Lloyd Wright and Richard Neutra. The internal configurations consistently prioritize unpartitioned, flowing layouts utilizing bespoke, multifunctional cabinetry and integrated furnishing systems designed to efficiently manage possessions, thus preserving the crucial feeling of airiness and the streamlined anti-clutter ethos of the period, where every object functions as a deliberately curated artistic statement. Crucially, the current wave of tiny house on wheels exhibitions clearly illustrates how contemporary construction specialists are embracing these classic stylistic cues while simultaneously